Hi everyone, this is Byotika and you're watching the Chatterbox, and this is a video where I set the intention for my channel. So welcome back, and let's get to the video.
I'ma kick back. I'ma kick back.
I have never wanted to be just another channel on YouTube. I have wanted to be someone that you come back to when life feels too much. I have been a consumer of YouTube for a really long time, and at some point, I just realized that I don't want to just consume the content but create it for you, because YouTube has literally helped me in many ways in becoming a better person, in knowing how to get out of my comfort zone, in knowing what to do when I am actually panicking about life, and a lot of life advice, a lot of knowledge. I have actually learned Python, a programming language, from YouTube. So I know that this is a gold mine of knowledge, and I want to give a 2 cents. I want to give my 2 cents into it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. That's why I opened a YouTube channel, and I have actually jotted down 5 very precise intentions, because I wanted this video to be planned. So I have jotted down 5 very precise intentions that I have for my YouTube channel. I believe that transparency and communication is the key to a healthy relationship and a long lasting one. And baby, I am here to stay in your life for a really long time. Okay? So hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Did you hit that subscribe button? Thanks. Okay. So one of my first intentions is to become your comfort channel. Okay, something that you put on your TV, put on your laptop, put on your phone while you're eating. Something that you come back to, a video that you look forward to. Someone when you see, oh, they put up a video, I need to watch it. I want to become that, and I would really love your help in that, because every video I put up, please tell me what I can do better. Constructive criticism is always welcome. So that is my first intention. Becoming your comfort channel that you come back to see, oh my god, what is going on in her life. We are going to read a lot of Reddit, because hey, I am a Reddit consumer. I'm a Reddit freak. I love reading Reddit. So I want to do that with you. I want to go into Reddit tea, Reddit gossip, subreddits, everything with you. And second is actually share my big sis advice. That's what I want to do on this channel. I want to part my knowledge. And speaking of which, my next video, which I actually have recorded, is going to be about things I wish I learned sooner. My 22nd birthday edition, because my birthday is in 2 weeks. It's my 22nd birthday. The third thing that I want to do with you is grow with you. So opening up this YouTube channel was literally something that is out of my comfort zone. Though I am a creator on Instagram, I love creating content. I love talking to my camera. I love being the person that people scrutinize in every way possible. Okay, but I don't know, creating a piece of content on YouTube always was a big deal for me, and I have talked about it in my first video, which that was something that I did last week. So if you want to, you can check that out too, where I go a little bit deeper into this complex of mine. So that is what I'm going to do with you in this whole journey. I want to grow with you. I want to become a better person, grow out of my comfort zone. And I have this vision, that greater persona in my head, someone that I want to become. And you know what, I ask myself, that someone, does she have these habits that you have? Is she afraid of doing something? Is she afraid of doing something because of the fear of failure? And the answer was, oh hell no, baby. So yeah, so here I am, aligning my actions with the person that I want to become. And if you want a video on that, please let me know in the comment. I am going to yap about it because I am all about self-love, becoming a better person. You can always improve while being so kind to yourself. You have to know the difference between talking negative to yourself and being disciplined in yourself, and I am all for it. So comment down if you want a video on that, and even if you don't, you know what, I am going to make a video on that. You know what, subscribe to see that video. My fourth goal is having fun with you. Okay, there are a lot of things that I do in my life that I wish I could document and share with a lot of people, and have people, you know what, I have I eccentric personality. Yeah, I have eccentric personality. मैं एक बॉलीवुड जंगी हूँ, एंड एनीथिंग दैट इज़ फिल्मी, जो भी चीज़ें हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में जो भी फिल्मी हो जाती हैं, मुझे वो आपको बतानी है. I'm actually from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and I am Odia, though my title is Chatterjee. I'm not Bengali, and it's a whole thing. Oh my God! Please don't come at me saying आप Chatterjee हो, Bengali कैसे नहीं हो. I have a whole video on my Instagram. Please go and follow me on Instagram and see that video. Please, I am not Bengali, I'm Odia. I'm sorry, I have been rage baited a little bit. Give me 2 minutes. And the fifth, and a very important one, and I'm not going to pretend like I'm not doing it for this. My fifth intention is monetizing this channel. I want to monetize this channel. I want this channel to be sustainable. I want to become a creator. I want to make it full time, and I want to become someone that is being recognized for the work that she is putting in, and being paid the work that she is putting in, because honestly I am going to enter my corporate life in later this year, and you will be with me while I do that. So I'll tell you how's the experience, and I am pretty sure the pay is not going to be nice. So I'm relying on YouTube to pay my luxury bills. So please subscribe and share this video and like this video, and make sure that you come again to watch me again, please. I don't think so that is going to come off nicely. So these are my 5 intentions that I'm starting my channel with, and this might change over the period of time. This might evolve as I evolve, but currently these are my 5 intentions that I'm starting my channel with, and as it evolves, I'll be making videos and you'll be knowing what is going on. Okay, so my 5 intentions, let me recap. First is become your bestie and the most comfortable channel that you reach out for. Second is share my big sis advice. Third is grow with you out of my comfort zone and to a better person. The idea of the best version of myself, align my actions to become that. Fourth is actually have fun with you over video, and interact with strangers. I would love that. Fifth is monetize this channel. So that's all for this video, and in the next video you will be seeing me telling you what are the things I wish I had known before turning 22. And if you want to see that video, please subscribe and like this video and share this with someone who needs a little push to become a content creator, because hey, if I can do it, you can too. Brother, excuse me. Okay, well, I love you and I'll see you soon. This is Byotika. You're watching the Chatterbox, and I am doing it for the plot. Okay, bye bye. Love you.